Hello, before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload new videos.
Compared to a car, the X2City, it's obviously that you don't stuck in a traffic jam, you don't have to find a parking space because it's easy to park it. If we compare it with a bicycle, then if you go to office or to a shop with the X2City, you don't have to sweat and your trousers, your skirt stays in shape. You're standing on the X2City, you are acting the pedal to accelerate, and you have the front brake and the rear brake to stop it. If you ride X2City, we recommend to wear a bicycle helmet, but also the concept of the X2City seems to be very safe. So we considered hydraulic disc brakes, which really brakes when you use it. We have very big wheels and fat tires, so you don't fall in every hole on the road. We have a very big place where you can stand on. So in general, we think it's a very safe concept. Compared to a bicycle, like I already said, you don't have to sweat. Your trousers, your skirt stays in shape. You don't have to find a parking place because it's easy to park everywhere with X2City. You don't stuck in the traffic jam. So that are the most convenient topics of the X2City. The X2City has many good points. You don't pollute the environment. You don't have emissions on noise. You don't stuck in the traffic jam. You don't need to find a parking place. So this is all very reasonable points to buy an X2City. But at least it's a lot of fun to ride it. In general, the battery stays for 20 up to 30 kilometers. You can take out the battery and charge it separately, but you also can keep the battery inside the vehicle and charge it there. The charging time is around 5 hours. You already can buy it. You can buy it at the BMW dealers, BMW Motorrad dealers, or you can buy it at bicycle dealers in Germany. And the price is 2,399 euros at the moment. For BMW employees, you get a discount of 15%. We are actually planning a sharing X2City. We have a partnership with the city of Augsburg, and we hope in July we can already show the first sharing X2City in Augsburg.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.